Good morning, guys. Are you tired out now? Who's in here? Hey, what are you doing in the bathtub again? Are you holding on to that now? So we just sat down for dinner, and
we're still in our PJs.
Of course. And look what she made. Chicken and stringy beans.
And of course, tea.
Yeah, I don't want any tea. I think it's high C. They rhyme though. Tea and high C. And what movie are we watching?
Twilight Breaking Dawn Part 2. I'm watching it because I love it, but what he doesn't know is he doesn't like watching things if he hasn't seen the whole series. Well, I got the whole series now. So one night, it's going to be all movie night, and it's going to start about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're going to start with Twilight Part 1, going all the way to the very end. All 5 movies.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, if they're at least 2 hours apiece.
What else is new?
New York, New Hampshire, New Mexico, New England, so on and so forth. So we're going to go eat before this gets nice and cold.
And it's very good. I mean, it literally falls right apart. Hey everybody, I'm just here watching a movie. Let's go see what Steve is doing.
What?
What are you doing?
Trying to find a good webcam recording software that's not going to lag.
As you can tell, he is in front of the computer. Again.
Are you done with that movie already?
No.
No. Oh, you thought of the peeps?
Yes.
Yay.
There's baby sleeping on the bed. Her favorite spot. And Sassy, of course, at her favorite spot. You guys can see her right up there. Say hi. Say hi, beautiful. It's my beautiful Sassy. My beautiful baby girl. Oh, it's a big stretch. Oh, and a big yawn. Yeah, my baby girl. How's my baby girl? Hmm?
Wow,
Oh, Sassy's up there talking. Wait, you want to talk more, Sassy?
No, I'm going to go back and hide. You got the camera out.
You want to talk? You want to talk? Go ahead. Say something. What do you want to say to him? Hmm? What do you want to say to him? Say hi. As you can tell, it's a lazy day for everybody today.
Mm-hmm. We're watching a TV show and we want to go to bed. And they went on a
Murder by Book.
Murder by the Book is the name of the show. And they went on a commercial break. She got upset because she wants to go to bed and she wants to see if the guy's guilty or not. So during the commercial break, she looked it up. And then she had to tell me, spoil the rest of the show.
I want to see the evidence they got, though, on him.
But we're still going to watch it, see the evidence.
Yeah, it doesn't say what kind of evidence they had on. It just said that he hired two hitmen to do it. So.
We'll see what it is. But thanks for hanging out with us today on this lazy day. And give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And look down below down there for the subscribe button. And if you haven't already, why not? Hit it. Just once though. Because if you hit it twice, it'll unsubscribe you. We don't want that, right? So we're going to go to bed. Have a good night and be careful.
Have a good night,
yes.
everybody. We got an early and long day tomorrow. Back to work.
Early and long day.
It's going to be up by 9. And we won't be going home and going back to bed until about midnight.
Okay, you guys be careful because the show's back out there. Bye.